Did you know you could live stream videos on Twitter? It's a pretty straightforward option inside of Twitter, but it's a little bit hidden, so I wanted to make a quick video to show you how to do it. You go ahead and click compose a tweet icon here on your Twitter mobile app. And on this page, you have to press the little picture icon over here on the left side. Press that. And on this page, instead of choosing a picture from your photo library here, press the little camera icon over here. And then give it access if you don't have access. Just say enable access here. And I give it access to my camera and microphone. On the bottom of the page, there is a live option. Go over there. And on this page, you could say what's happening. So you could write a title right on top here. So your title would go over here. Your location, you could go ahead and add that and choose a location if you want to. You don't have to do that. You could go ahead and invite guests right over here. So you could choose that and invite people that follow you. And then on top, you could go ahead and flip the camera. You could go ahead and turn off your video or turn it into audio only. So this is audio only. This is video now. I just have a black screen here in front of it. And when you're all satisfied, you could just go ahead and press go live right over here. And now you are live. After you're done here, you could go ahead and press the X right on top and then stop broadcast. And then you are no longer live, and you could go ahead and view your stats, or you could go ahead and edit the broadcast and the title and the starting point over here. You could go ahead and press play and it will play it back for you that way. And it's that simple to go live and live stream videos on Twitter. I hope you found this useful. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for easy to follow tech videos, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.